Have you ever felt like nobody believes in you? Like you're all alone in your dreams and aspirations? It can be a painful feeling, but I want you to know that you're not alone. I've been there too. People may look at you with doubt and tell you to try something else, or even give up. But I'm here to tell you that you need to get away from those negative people who aren't doing anything for your growth. Get away from the people who are hating on your vision. If you plant an oak tree seed in a 2-foot pot, that seed will never become the full-grown oak tree it's meant to be. It will be stifled by the environment. But there's nothing wrong with the seed itself, it just fell prey to the wrong surroundings. Don't let your environment dictate the oak tree you become. If you want to be exceptional, people might not like it. They'll judge you, call you weird or eccentric. But don't let their words hold you back. Get strong enough in your own skin that when people laugh at you or throw stones at you, you keep on going. I respect the motherfuckers who wake up every day and work their asses off to live their lives and pursue their dreams. Don't waste your time clubbing, partying, or hanging out. Instead, focus on your goals and work hard to achieve them. While others are out having fun, you're building the future you want. Don't expect people to understand you or your vision. It doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. This is something you have to do for yourself. The universe responds to those who refuse to be denied. If you have a dream, it's yours for the taking. But you have to be willing to face disappointment, rejection, and even bankruptcy to make it a reality. Remember, life will always be what you make of it. Not what other people say it will be or what the circumstances dictate. When you're uncommon, get ready for the criticism and opposition. But don't let it stop you. The best revenge is massive success. So don't be afraid to take a chance, even if it means facing your fears of rejection, failure, and standing alone. It takes guts, but I believe in you. Let's make your dreams a reality and torture those who doubted you with your success.